Hey, hey. Find a bird. Easy. Here. Here. Good. Here. Good. Here. Okay. Leave it. Good. Thank you. Release. Release. Good. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Sit. Good.
If you go across like that,
yeah,
we'll go across like that,
and then pinch.
We'll meet in the middle. Look at her in there. Look at her in there. Did you see her get that one up in that thick shit?
I don't know if it was a little bird. I heard something. Oh shit, there's a fucking rooster. Do I shoot it?
Yeah. Nice headshot.
Shit. I was like, I swear I just heard something. Good boy, here. 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 I don't know if it's like ducks where it's like kind of wait until they get up, I guess. Gunner, here. Let's go.
You were waiting for that one to get up. You weren't going to get up.
Good, here. Here. Good. Release. Release. Good, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Get in there.
Find a bird. Hey, hey, hey. Find a bird. Find a bird. Get in there. Ball, 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 ball. Find that bird. Find that bird, man. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh damn.
Yeah, you got
I got hit. Oh shit. Jesus Christ. That scared the shit out of me. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's the closest I've gotten to one then. See, I would have thought there's like no, I had just gotten relaxed too. I was like, oh, there can't be nothing out here. And as soon as I stepped, I heard it and it fucking turned and went that way. Dang.
You probably saw it coming, just kept running.
Yeah.
We want that meat. Thanksgiving. Remy, shoot it.
Find a bird.
Get in there. Shoot it.
Gotta find a bird. Here,
There,
hey.
Remy, right there, Michael.
There you go.
Me or you?
Gunner's on it.
That was me. I don't think.
Find a bird.
Okay, we got a rooster.
It should be right up here. Some. Oh shit. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Go get that bird. There you go. Go get that bird.
Shot that one.
That thing got pillowed. Release. Release. Good. Release.
Thank you.
Release. Here. Good. Here. Gunner, here. Come here. Gunner, here.
Where's that one we shot?
Come here.
Oh, right.
Come here. It should be like right where we're at. Somewhere right in here.
Find that bird.
Hey, go find a bird. What the hell?
I mean, it was the dog just find it right here. Remy, come here. Come on.
Oh, he found it. He found it. It's still, yep, there you go. Here, here, okay. Hey, 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 don't let it go yet. Release, release, thank you. Another one for you. Sweet. Easy.
Is that a hen or a rooster running through the ditch?
Hey, hey.
Yeah, there's a hen and there's a rooster running right next to it.
Find that bird? Find that bird? Call me, sure.
Beat Paul?
Oh. Get that bird. Oh, it's a fucking rooster on this side. Find the bird. It's right on the ground. Gunner,